how to allow and turn on updates notifications on Reddit. So in today's video, guys, I will teach you how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first, guys, you should go and open your Reddit. Then it will open directly on your homepage, as you can see. So you will just come to your profile right here and click on settings. So what you should do right now, click on account settings, and you will find this page or this list. You will go directly right now and open your notifications, manage notifications. So you will find here all these kind of notifications. You will go to updates. If you wanna allow it, just click allow like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.